Hey, let's talk for a couple minutes about can you use marijuana and own a firearm in Washington State? This question is asked a lot because Washington State, like 19 other states in the United States and the District of Columbia, has in fact legalized recreational cannabis. The answer under Washington law is there is nothing that prohibits you from being a user of cannabis and being a lawful gun owner. There is a restriction about you possessing a firearm if you are required to have a concealed pistol license and you are under the influence of cannabis, and that is a big no-no under RCW 9.41.098. No, the problem for lawful cannabis users on the state level is that there is no such thing as a lawful cannabis user on the federal level. The big rub comes from 18 U.S.C. sections 922 subsections D and G. D says that an FFL cannot sell to you if you have confirmed that you're an unlawful user of marijuana or they have reason to believe. Section G of the same statute says, hey, you cannot possess a firearm if you are an unlawful user of cannabis. And of course, for all of you who have gone out and lawfully and responsibly purchased a firearm, we are familiar with Form 4473 and specifically question 21E. That question specifically asks the purchaser, are you an unlawful user of or addicted to marijuana or any depressant, stimulant, narcotic drug, or any other controlled substance? And then just to make sure that we know what they're talking about, the question further states in big bold print, warning, the use or possession of marijuana remains unlawful under federal law regardless of whether it has been legalized or decriminalized for medicinal or recreational purposes in the state where you reside. So the bottom line is nothing in Washington state law prohibits you from being a user of cannabis and possessing a firearm. However, the same cannot be said for federal law because under federal law, an FFL cannot sell to you, and if you answer question 21E in the affirmative, because it is the honest answer, the sale is over. Am I encouraging cannabis users to continue to lie on Form 4473? No, I am not. I am informing you of what the law is so you can choose how you are going to operate within the confines of it. Listen, for a more thorough discussion about this topic, check out this video right here on our channel. My name is William Kirk. I'm the president of Washington Gun Law, and you have been watching Bullet Points.